Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the typeof operator in JavaScript. So until this point in the JavaScript course, we have used the typeof operator to check for the data type of a certain value or a variable. In this video, we will discuss about the typeof operator in a little bit more detail. Okay. So the typeof operator returns the data type of a JavaScript variable. All right. So let's see some of them in action. So we have seen that. So console log, let's do John. Okay, so that will be John, but now I can do type of John, that is a string. Okay, then what we can do console log something like this, type of, and we can add parenthesis here, but remember there is a space here. So what I can do something like this, John plus do. Okay, as you can see, we are getting a string. Once again, we have a space here. It is not something like this. If I just do that, then Prettier will auto format this one. Okay, so as you can see, here is the string. All right, now console log, let's do typeof, let's do 3.14, that is a number. Okay, so typeof only if I just do something like 10, that is also a number. Remember, in JavaScript, we just have number. We do not have the data type for the floating point number or the integers number. We have only numbers. All right. Then we can do something like this. So typeof, let's do true. That is a boolean. All right. We can do false as well. That is also a boolean. All right. Then what we can do something like this. So console log typeof, let's do 1 2 3 4 n. Okay, so we haven't seen this one before. So if I just save that, as you can see, we are getting a BigInt. Okay, all right. And then what we can do something like this, console log of typeof capital S Y M B O L symbol and open and closing parenthesis here. So if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting a symbol here. Okay, in case if you are curious, so we can do something like this. Okay, so if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting a symbol back. Okay, all right, so we have seen the symbol here as well. Now let's see what happens if I just do console log typeof x. So x should be a variable, right? But we have not declared this variable before, right? We haven't assigned any value to this variable or declared the variable. If I just save that, we are getting undefined. Why is that? Because x is undefined, right? So let's do console log of type of undefined. The type of undefined is undefined. All right. And now let's do something like this. So console log typeof null. So what do you think will happen? So if I just save that, we are getting the object back. Okay, so this is one type of a kind of a bug inside of the JavaScript, but we are not able to change it, right? Because if we basically fix this bug, then what will happen? Many of the existing web pages will break, right? So that is why the type of null is an object. Okay, all right. So these are the data types which we have seen so far. There are many of the other data types which we have not seen yet. Something like an array. So if I just do console log of, let's do type of, let's do 1, 2, 3. So this is an array. Okay, so if I just save that, we are still getting object. Okay, so we get the type of the array as object, we get the type of the set as object as well, we get type of the maps as the object as well. Okay, so this is something to keep in mind. So I hope that makes sense. So in this video, we have discussed about the type of operator in JavaScript. Whenever we want to see a data type of a value or a variable, we use the type of operator to get the data type of that value or the variable. Okay, awesome.